Hello and welcome to Practice English Fast. This is episode 2 of our IELTS preparation series, where we bring you expert guidance to ace your IELTS exam. In today's episode, we'll cover two very important sections: IELTS speaking exam tips and how to prepare for IELTS 1 week before the exam. If you're getting ready for IELTS, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. The IELTS speaking test can be nerve-wracking, but with the right techniques, you can boost your confidence and performance. Here are 16 essential tips to help you succeed. 1. Don't memorize answers. Examiners can tell if you've memorized answers, and it can negatively impact your score. Speak naturally. 2. Don't use fake accents. You don't need an American or British accent. Just speak clearly and fluently. 3. Keep speaking until the examiner stops you. In part 2, try to talk for the full 2 minutes. If you stop too early, it may affect your score. 4. Don't panic if you make a mistake. If you make a small mistake, keep going. Correct yourself smoothly if needed. 5. Extend your answers. Don't just say yes or no. Always explain your response with examples. 6. Avoid overusing filler words. Try not to say like, or too much. It can affect fluency. 7. Be confident. A positive attitude can make you sound more fluent. Smile and relax. 8. Use a range of vocabulary. Try using synonyms and different sentence structures to show your language skills. 9. Practice speaking with a timer. Time yourself for part 2 so you get used to speaking for 2 minutes. 10. Use linking words. Phrases like "on the other hand," in contrast, however, for instance, make your answers more structured. 11. Speak at a natural speed. Don't speak too fast or too slow. A steady pace is best. 12. Use different tenses. Show your grammatical range by using past, present, and future tenses when needed. 13. Stay on topic. Answer the question directly. Don't go off topic. 14. Listen carefully. Make sure you fully understand the examiner's question before answering. 15. Avoid long pauses. If you need a second to think, use natural phrases like "that's an interesting question" to avoid silence. 16. Enjoy the conversation. Think of the test as a casual conversation rather than a stressful exam. Now that we've covered speaking tips, let's talk about how you should prepare 1 week before your IELTS exam. Here are 3 crucial tips to follow. 1. Take a full practice test under exam conditions. Simulate the real exam by taking a complete practice test with strict timing. This helps you manage time effectively on the actual test day. 2. Check your location and time. Make sure you know where your test center is and how to get there. Arrive early to avoid last-minute stress. 3. Get plenty of rest and avoid last-minute cramming. Sleep well the night before and avoid studying too much at the last moment. A fresh mind performs much better than a tired one. Alright, now let's move on to the most important part: what to do and what not to do on the day of your IELTS exam. Let's start with crucial DOs. 1. Arrive early. Get to the test center at least 30 minutes before your test to avoid stress. 2. Bring the right documents. Carry your valid ID or passport as required for verification. 3. Dress comfortably. There's no dress code, but wear something comfortable since you'll be there for hours. 4. Eat a good meal. Have a balanced meal before the exam so you have enough energy. 5. Stay calm and relaxed. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce anxiety. 6. Listen to instructions carefully. Pay attention to what the examiner and staff say to avoid mistakes. 7. Check your headphones in the listening test. Make sure they work properly before the test begins. 8. Use time wisely. Divide your time carefully in reading and writing sections. 9. Plan your writing. Spend a few minutes planning before writing to organize your ideas better. 10. Speak clearly in the speaking test. Maintain eye contact and speak at a steady pace. 11. Keep track of time. Monitor the clock and move on if you get stuck. 12. Stay positive. Believe in yourself and don't let nervousness affect your performance. Don'ts for IELTS exam day. 1. Don't bring unnecessary items. Phones, watches, and bags are usually not allowed inside the test room. 2. Don't leave blank answers. Always attempt an answer, even if you're unsure. Guessing is better than leaving blanks. 3. Don't panic if you don't know an answer. Stay calm, move on, and do your best with the next question. That's it for today. We covered IELTS speaking tips, 1-week preparation advice, and do's and don'ts for the exam day. If this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Practice English Fast, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips. Good luck, and see you next time.